I got this nail, part of a nail anyway, stuck in this piece of wood, and I had it part of the way through the planer, and then I saw it. Luckily, I just changed the knives in my planer, so I didn't want to ruin those. I'm trying to get this out. Actually, this looks like a screw. Oh man, maybe I'd be better off to cut this part out, but I do need the longer piece, and I can fill that up either just with wood filler or with something like a Dutchman after. But I definitely can't send that through the planer. I'm just gonna get a hold of it maybe with my pliers. But I'm gonna have to dig out more material first. Okay, that's bigger and longer than I thought it was. And I'm just destroying the wood too much here. Always a good idea to have one of these old standard screwdrivers on hand to use for this kind of thing. I don't know. The trick is I cut through this with my saw back when I was originally milling this up. But you know what? That was about 3 years ago, so I've forgotten about it. You got to be persistent with this kind of thing. It's not like a nail. It's coming anyway. It's like pulling one of those wisdom teeth. I'm a dentist. You want me to do some dental work on you? Yeah, that would have done the number on my planer if I had a plane through that. Wow.